In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set open graph settings in Rank Math. Open graph settings control how your pages look when they're shared on social platforms. A good open graph image and metadata can dramatically improve click-through rates by making your links stand out with a clean, branded preview. In this walkthrough, we'll set a site-wide default image so that any page without its own image still looks great when shared. Start by heading to rankmath.com. If you're already working inside your WordPress site with the Rank Math plugin installed, you can move straight into the plugin interface. Either way, the goal is the same. We're going to work in the Rank Math SEO settings to define your open graph defaults. Open the Rank Math SEO panel. This is where all the global SEO options live. From here, look for the Titles and Meta section. Titles and Meta controls how your site's titles, descriptions, and social previews are generated, and it's the place where open graph defaults are set. Inside Titles and Meta, select Global Meta. Think of Global Meta as the master switchboard for settings that apply across your entire website when a specific post or page doesn't have its own custom values. Setting your open graph thumbnail here ensures consistency and prevents blank or mismatched previews. Find the open graph thumbnail area and click Add or Upload File. This opens your media library or file picker. Choose a clear, high-quality image that represents your brand or website. A landscape image with a 1.9111 aspect ratio typically displays best. Many publishers use around 1200 by 630 pixels to look sharp across platforms. Keep the design simple with enough contrast so text overlays on social platforms don't clash. Aim for a lightweight JPG or PNG to balance quality and load speed. Once you've selected the image, click. Use this file. Double-check that the correct thumbnail now appears in the Open Graph thumbnail field. This confirms the image is attached and will be used as the default whenever a page doesn't specify its own Open Graph image. Finally, click Save Changes. Saving applies your new default across the site. From this point on, if a post or page doesn't include a custom Open Graph image, the one you just chose will be used automatically. This helps deliver a consistent, professional appearance on platforms like Facebook, X, LinkedIn, and messaging apps that generate link previews. That's it. You've set a reliable open graph fallback in Rank Math. As you publish new content, you can still override this default on individual posts, but now your site will always have a polished share image in place.